Okay, so before we get into this makeover, here are the before shots of what my room looked like before the makeover. Pretty boring. So here is some of the new decor that we got. We got this blanket, and this pillow, got some new like plants, some vines, and these like cute little like succulents. And then we also got a new pin board and some lights, and also a little rug. But they're too big to show, so this is just some of the stuff that we got for the room, and you already saw the before shots, so now I'm just going to start putting things where they belong. So these vines, I think, come from Amazon. I'll make sure to link those down below, and right now I'm just sort of untangling them so I can hang them up. This is probably one of the most exciting parts of this makeover that's really going to transform the space. So let's go hang them up now. Okay, so to hang up the vines, I used this sticky tack so it wouldn't damage the wall. And it seems to be working out pretty well, and I didn't want to like have to use anything like nails or anything like that. So it seems to be holding up pretty nicely. And I'm so glad with how they turned out. All these little finishing touches to the room are really making a huge difference, and I'm absolutely loving the new look it has. After that little montage of me putting things where they go, I'm going to start printing out some photos for my wall on my door. For now, I've printed out 10 photos, and I might print out some more, but for now, I'm just going to use these 10. So again, I'm using some sticky tack to hold up the photos. Here's just a quick reminder of what the room looked like before. And this is what it looks like after. Alright, so here is the after of the room, and I am absolutely in love with it. I love all the vines and the lights and how they like twinkle and everything like that. I love the new pillow and the blankets and the vines over there, and we got a new rug as well. And honestly, it's all coming together. So I'm just going to take a little bit of a tour, show you guys what my room is like now. I did a room tour before, but now it's like completely different, so I'm just going to show you guys what I changed and everything like that. So let's start out right here. This is my bed. We have the vines and the lights behind the bed, and then we have this new pillow right here, and then we have my shelves with some new succulents up there, and then those were there before from my last makeover. And then here is my dresser. Nothing really changed. I just added a plant, and then I also have like an Echo Dot now. And here is just my dresser, and then over here all the same basically stuff. There's nothing really changed over here with my Polaroid camera. And then we also changed this plant. It looks like this plant, but now it sort of balances out more, and I really like the way that looks. And then here is my closet, and then we have my full-length mirror, and then down here we have my ukulele, and then we have this new plant. And then over here we have the door to the attic, and then on there I put some pictures. I'll probably put more pictures on there, but for now that's what it looks like. And then here is my bookcase, and then I have some plants over here that got moved, and then we have my Legos. Some of my favorites are the Friends Lego set, and then we have all these really cool big ones up here. And then over here is the TV. Got this new Salt Rock lamp. and surprisingly very heavy. And it was that's super cute, and I think I got it from like Five Below. It was like $5, and it's really good quality still. And then we just have my storage bins down here, and then here is my bed where I usually just chill out and hang out. And then we have my moon phase hanging, which was there from the last makeover. I put some vines around here to make it cozier. And then I have this new pin board, and then all the pillows, and then I have baby Yoda and a new throw blanket, which is so soft and warm and fuzzy. And then over here we have my desk. Not a lot changed. I have some stickers on there from my Redbubble shop. And then we have that new plant. This is my new planner that I got for Christmas. If you didn't see that video, I'll make sure to link it down below. And then we have just my supplies and stuff, because this is where I do like all my online school. So I have all my like papers and stuff over here. And I have my photo printer, which is what I use to print all the photos, over there on the door. Then I have a macrame hanging that I made, and then 2 others that I did not make. And then we just have this like light from IKEA. And then we're back to the bed. And last thing I want to show you is this new rug that we got right here from like IKEA, I think. If I can find anything that I used in this video, I'll make sure to link it down below. And if you guys enjoyed this makeover, make sure to give it a like, comment down below what you thought, and also if you really want to, subscribe to my channel for more videos, anything related to this. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!